Hi, this is my BENQ projector. The model is BENQ TH681, and the lamp unit that it uses is 5J.JAH05.001. I ordered two lamp modules from AliExpress. These are the same unit, 5J.JAH05.001. And this is the second box. And the problem that I'm having is I ordered two lamps and I installed the first one and it stopped working after 50 days and 400 hours work time. The store that sells this product was saying that it has 180 days warranty. On my projector now, the second lamp is installed and it's working, and the projector is also working. This is just to prove that I don't have any problems on my projector. It's still working with the second lamp, also with my original lamp that I removed. I will close down the projector so it cools down, and I will install the first lamp that I installed, and it stopped working after 400 hours. This is the product that is sent. Unplug it. Anyway, this is the second lamp. It's the same. There are no numbers on it. It's very hot. put my original one to the second one's box. This is my original lamp. There are numbers on it. It should already give the light, but as you can see, the lamp is giving blinks, and that is a problem, that the lamp is not lighting. You can also see on the manuals of the BENQ TH681. It will still not light up. Now it gave the red light on the lamp. Now it's cooling down. And then stopped. I'm waiting. I already wrote to the seller, but I didn't get any response. And I'm waiting either a refund or another product to be sent to me again, because the first one is stopped working after 400 hours and 50 days of working, and the title says it has 180 days warranty. Thank you.